Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter. But before that, let me give you some kind of introduction of this chapter, okay, so that you can understood the whole chapter, that what we are going to study in this particular chapter. Okay, as we are living on earth, and you all know earth is a very unique planet out of all the planets of the solar system, right? क्यों? क्योंकि अर्थ इज the only planet on which we can live, we can have the water in a liquid form, right? We can breathe it, we can do all kind of our business, through that we can earn the money, right? So on earth we have various type of things in, right? And some of the things are some of the things are unbelievable कि नहीं ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या, right? You all have seen the various types of animals, okay? For example, cow. We know we have red and white cow, okay? Though they considered as a different, right? कहते तो काव ही है, उन लोगों को गाय ही बोलते हैं, but we have the species of cow. Similarly, in all the animals, in all the insects, we have the species. यानी कि what? उसके types होते हैं. Okay. For example, we all are human being, though we are different to each other, right? हम सब भी human beings हैं, फिर भी हम सब एक दूसरे से अलग है. कैसे अलग है? किसी के कोई लंबा है, कोई छोटा है, कोई बड़ा है, right? Then कोई मोटा है, कोई पतला है, किसी के बाल लंबे हैं, किसी के बाल छोटे हैं, कोई काला है, कोई गोरा है, okay? In many ways, many ways we are different to each other, though we are called as the human. Similarly, in animals, in birds, in insects, in the dinosaurs, they have that types, that is called the species, okay? And I'm sure you must be knowing about the various animals. For example, frog, okay? Frog is a kind of animal, is a kind of tortoise. They can live on both ways. For example, they can live under the water also, or they can live on the land also. That's why the frog is called as the amphibian, okay? Because they live on the water and they can live under the water or land. Clear? And let's talk about the another animals. For example, terrestrial animals. Take the example of terrestrial animal: lion, horse, deer. Okay, terrestrial animals means what? Simply they are live on a land area. That is called the terrestrial animal. Okay, they don't require any kind of specific region to stay. Just they have the normal temperature or humidity, okay, and they can survive. Clear? Now the second thing is the animals. उसकी बॉडी के ऊपर आपको कई सारे फर्स दिखने को मिलेंगे. फर मीन्स व्हाट? छोटे छोटे हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, ओके? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ह्यूमन हैव द हेयर ग्रोथ ऑन होल बॉडी, ओके? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ हेयर? टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम हीट एंड कोल्ड. क्लियर? तो सिमिलरली ऑन द एनिमल्स सरफेस, ओके, एनिमल की जो बॉडी है उसकी सरफेस पे भी बहुत सारे हेयर के ग्रोथ आपको दिखने को मिलेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डॉग, कैट, ओके, उनके ऊपर हेयर का एक लेयर होगा, right? And that layer has to protect from the environment. For example, if the environment is very cold, so they can survive easily. Clear? For example, sheep what is the sheep gives us wool, right? You all have studied. So this way we have various types of animals, and that animals जो फर होते हैं जिनकी बॉडी पे, they can live in polar region. Polar region means what? जहाँ पे स्नो होता है, बर्फ होती है. और आपने पोलर रीजन के एनिमल्स के नाम भी सुने होंगे, दैट इज द पोलर बियर, ओके, यू ऑल मस्ट हैव सीन इन द कार्टून ऑल्सो. अगर पोलर बियर को उठा के यहाँ पे रख दिया टेरेस्ट्रियल लैंड पे, कैन दे सर्वाइव? नो, बिकॉज they can survive only in a cold region. They cannot survive in the mild temperature, either normal temperature. Okay, then next is the arboreal animal. Arboreal animal, it means what? They can jump. कौन jump करता है? Like monkey, chimpanzees. Okay, these are called as the arboreal animal. Aquatic animal means what? The animals which they can live under the water only. For example, fish can live under the water only. Okay, they cannot survive without water. So this about the living things. हमने ये living thing का देखा, but as I have told you, the earth is the unique planet from the universe. Okay, why is it so? Because earth is comprises of living and non-living things. Okay, not only हम सिर्फ living things से ही earth नहीं बनता है. For example, soil. क्या soil जो है, अगर soil नहीं होती तो plant grow होते नहीं. Though the plant is called as what? Living things, right? And soil is the non-living things. So we are all the living things are depend on the non-living things. For example, this is the pencil. Okay, and we living things, pencil is the non-living things. Okay, if I want to write down anything, I require pencil, either pen. Okay, अगर वो नहीं होगी तो क्या मैं अपने हाथ से लिख सकती हूँ वैसे ही बिना कुछ? No, it is not possible. If you want to write something, if you want to say something to anyone through the letter or a book, then we must have the pencil or pen. Either we cannot able to give our message. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about the characteristics and habits of the living organisms. Okay, so the chapter number 9, that is the living organisms, characteristics and habits, with the chapter, and that chapter will study. Okay, and you all have to write down the hard word of the chapter. Don't forget it, and you have to remember it, because through the hard word you can come to know what we are going to study in this particular chapter. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. As I have told you, the earth has many things. Okay, it comprises of living and non-living things. The living thing is, living organism means what? The kind of organisms which they can easily move, walk, breathe, eat, respire, excrete. Okay, that is called as the living organisms. Okay, they have the sense. उनके पास कोई टच करे तो पता चलना चाहिए. We all have sense organ, right? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, then skin. So these are the sense organs. So the organisms having the sense, either having the all kind of abilities to walk, move, eat. Okay, that is called as the living organisms. And non-living organism means what? They don't have any kind of sense. Okay, for example, this is the table. If I will hit the table, if I will beat the table, they don't feel at all. Okay, उनको कोई फील होगा नहीं. फील किसको होगा? आपको. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको आप मार रहे हो, तोड़ रहे हो. तो you require the energy and force. So I am giving you that you have to read the introduction, means the first paragraph of this chapter, first 2 paragraph. पहेली and भूजो वाला story है. Just you go through it. You must enjoy. Okay, in the next class we'll start the organisms and surrounding, where they live, वो कैसे रहते हैं, उनकी characteristics के बारे में हम सब पढ़ेंगे. Okay, we will meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.